In this video, we'll explore how to use Pipedrive CRM, a tool designed to streamline your sales pipeline and boost your productivity. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage Pipedrive to take your business to new heights. Setting up your Pipedrive account. Getting started with Pipedrive is straightforward and user-friendly. First, head over to Pipedrive's official website and sign up. You'll need to choose a plan that aligns with your business needs, whether you're just starting out or looking for more advanced features. Pipedrive offers a range of options to suit different business sizes and requirements. Once you're signed in, the next step is customizing your pipeline. This is a crucial part of the setup as it ensures that the stages reflect your unique sales process. For instance, if you're in real estate, your pipeline stages might include initial contact, property viewing, offer made, and deal close. For SaaS companies, the stages could be lead captured, demo scheduled, proposal sent, and contract signed. You have the flexibility to tweak these stages to match how your deals typically progress. You can also import your existing contacts and deals from a spreadsheet or another CRM system. This feature is incredibly handy as it centralizes your data, making it easier to manage and access everything in one place. Navigating the dashboard. Pipedrive's dashboard is designed to provide a clear and intuitive overview of your sales activities. Let's break down the key components. Pipeline view. This is where you get a visual representation of your deals across different stages. It allows you to quickly assess your sales progress, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize tasks. Activities. This section helps you schedule and keep track of tasks, calls, meetings, and deadlines. Staying organized is vital, and Pipedrive's activity tracking ensures you never miss an important follow-up. Context. Here, you can manage a comprehensive database of your clients. It includes detailed information on individuals and organizations, making it easier to personalize your interactions. Insights. This tab provides access to reports and analytics. By monitoring your sales performance, you can adjust strategies accordingly and make data-driven decisions. Managing deals. Managing deals in Pipedrive is a breeze. Here's how you can do it effectively. Adding deals. Create new deals by linking them to specific contacts. Assign each deal to a relevant pipeline stage to keep everything organized. Progressing deals. As deals advance, move them through the pipeline stages. This transparency ensures that you and your team can easily track where each deal stands. Forecasting sales. The sales forecast feature is a powerful tool. It helps you predict potential revenue based on your current deals, allowing for better financial planning and goal setting. Utilizing activities. Activities are at the heart of Pipedrive's functionality. Here's how to make the most of them. Scheduling. Plan follow-ups, calls, and meetings directly within the CRM. This feature helps you stay on top of your commitments without juggling multiple calendars. Reminders. Set reminders for each activity to ensure you never miss a deadline. Pipedrive's reminder system keeps you on track and helps maintain momentum in your sales process. Completing activities. Once tasks are done, mark them as completed. Then plan the next steps to keep the ball rolling and maintain your sales momentum. Insights and reporting. Pipedrive's reporting features are invaluable for understanding your sales performance. Let's delve into how to use them. Generating reports. Use the Insights tab to create detailed reports on sales performance, activity tracking, and more. These reports give you a clear picture of what's working and what needs improvement. Custom dashboards. Customize dashboards to display the most relevant data. By focusing on key metrics, you can make informed decisions and drive your business forward. Integrations and add-ons. Pipedrive supports a variety of integrations that can enhance your workflow. Here are some ways to make the most of them. Email integration. Manage your email communications directly from Pipedrive. This integration streamlines your workflow by keeping everything in one place. Third-party apps. Pipedrive integrates with tools like email marketing platforms, telephony apps, and more. These integrations help you extend the CRM's capabilities and tailor it to your specific needs. Automation. Automation in Pipedrive can save you significant time by handling repetitive tasks. Here's how to set it up. Workflow automation. Create automated actions, such as sending follow-up emails or creating activities based on deal progression. This feature helps you maintain consistency and efficiency in your sales process. Templates. Use email and activity templates to standardize your communications. Templates ensure that your messages are professional and consistent across different interactions. Onboarding the users. Bringing new team members on board is a smooth process with Pipedrive. Here's how to do it effectively. User roles and permissions. Define roles and set permissions to control access to various CRM features. This ensures that each team member has the right level of access based on their role. Training. Utilize Pipedrive's resources, including tutorials and guides, to train new users. These resources help new team members get up to speed quickly and use the CRM effectively. Advanced features. Pipedrive offers advanced features that can further enhance your sales process. Let's explore some of them. Lead Booster. Activate Lead Booster to capture leads directly from your website or blog. This tool helps you expand your customer base by turning website visitors into leads. Web Visitors. Monitor your website's visitor engagement and link it to your CRM. This integration provides a comprehensive view of potential leads and their behavior. Messaging. Use Pipedrive's messaging features to communicate effectively with clients. This feature centralizes your communications, making it easier to manage client interactions. Price plans. Essential plan. Price at $14 per user per month. Billed annually. This plan provides basic CRM functionalities, including customizable pipelines, lead and deal management, data import or export, and a basic meeting scheduler. Advanced plan. At $34 per user per month, billed annually. It includes full email sync, customizable email templates, email open and click tracking, web to mobile calls, smart contact data, and video call scheduling. Professional plan. Recommended for most users, it's priced at $49 per user per month, billed annually, and includes advanced reporting, pipeline management, lead routing tools, detailed revenue forecasts, contract proposal management with e-signatures, and AI-powered features like an AI sales assistant and AI email tools. Power plan. At $64 per user per month, billed annually, this plan offers project planning, tracking, and delivery tools, phone support, AI-powered CRM customization, and scalable control of account permissions and visibilities. Enterprise plan. For large-scale businesses, it costs $99 per user per month, billed annually, and offers unlimited access to Pipedrive's features, maximum account protection, AI-powered CRM customization, unlimited feature usage, custom onboarding, and 24/7 phone support. Please note that prices are exclusive of that, which will be applied based on your location. Opting for annual billing offers significant savings compared to monthly payments. Pipedrive also offers a 14-day free trial for all plans, allowing you to explore the features before committing. So, what do you think? Which of these features will you be using to elevate your sales process? Have you already experienced the difference Pipedrive can make? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.